Okay, we're going to go back and look at this question again for question 2 on the 3-star homework, but this time we're going to look at slightly different questions. Now, in particular, they can go on from this to ask the probability of 2 of the colours happening together, so blue and yellow, for example, or they could say, could he pick blue or red? Okay, so and or rules we're going to look at now. So if I show you this, in probability, and means you must multiply probabilities together. Okay, so we're going to highlight that. The and means I'm looking to multiply these probabilities together. So in these questions down here, I'm going to be multiplying the probabilities for all of these questions here. Or, on the other hand, means we are going to be adding probabilities together. So, or means we add, and we're looking to do these there. Now, these ones are slightly easier because you don't have to remember about those decimals. So, if we look in here that we've got blue and orange, my probability for blue was 0.3. Don't need the 0 on the end now. And we've got the probability for orange as 0.4. We've got and, which means we're going to multiply. Multiplying these probabilities means we've got 2 decimal places in our question, which means we're expecting 2 decimal places in our answer. 3 times the 4 gives you 12, which fills those decimal places, which means 0.12 is your answer. Same for blue. Same for blue and yellow then. We've got 0.3 for blue still, multiplied by the probability for yellow as 0.25. This time we're looking for 3 decimal places because there's 3 decimal places in our question. So 1, 2, 3. 3 times by 25 gives me 75. So I've got a 5 there and a 7 there. 0 must fill our empty space with a 0.0 before it. Red and blue then. We've got probability for red as 0.05. We are multiplying it by the probability for blue, which is 0.3. We've got 1, 2, 3 decimal places in our question. So 1, 2, 3 in our answer. 5 times 3 is 15. 0 fills the empty space with 0 point in front. And that's how you look at and rules in probability. Going over to the or, nice and straightforward here. We've got blue or orange. We've got blue is 0.3, orange is 0.4, 0.3 add 0.4 is equal to 0.7. Blue or orange, blue is 0.3, blue or yellow, blue is 0.3, yellow is 0.25, so our probability there is 0.55. And last but not least, we've got red or blue. Red is 0.3, red is 0.05, put them together gives you 0.35. So very different probabilities depending on whether you're looking to do an and or an or. So please remember the difference. And means multiply, or means add. Thank you for watching. I hope it helped.